How to open YouTube audio library on mobile. So let's get started. First thing first, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. After that, tap on your profile icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and tap on the help and feedback option available there. From there, tap on the search address bar and search for the audio library, and tap on the first option available there, that using the audio library and many more. After that, you can see there is an URL available right below the open the audio library option available there, and there is a URL. Simply tap on it and navigate to that URL page. So once you tap on it, then you'll get to see YouTube Studio option available there. Tap on the skip and continue. Here you can see your audio library option. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.